Here I am. Know it's been a while.
Hey guys, Harsh here and welcome back to Technolobe. This is the 9.7-inch iPad 6th generation. It's the most basic and the cheapest iPad that you can buy right now in India. Now today in this video, let's have a look at the unboxing experience of this iPad.
You should go back home. Go back home. Go back home. Go home. That's where you belong.
So opening up the box, the first thing that you'll find inside is the iPad itself. I've got it in the space gray color. Now keeping it aside for a moment, let's see what else you get inside the box. So first up you get a standard USB to lightning cable, which is not exciting at all because it's a proprietary cable and now I have to carry this around as well. But anyway, apart from that, you get a sleeve inside the box which contains some boring paperwork, but it also contains Apple stickers. Now I'm a huge sucker for stickers. Whenever I get stickers, I keep them. Even if I sell the product afterwards, I keep the stickers. Last but not the least, there's the power brick inside this box which will help you charge this iPad. So yeah, that is all you get inside the box. I would have loved to see some earphones in the box because that would be awesome. Now let's talk about this iPad. So this is the most basic and the cheapest iPad that you can buy in the Indian market right now. It comes with an A10 Fusion chip, which is like a couple of years old, but it is still very good. So Apple has this, very good software optimization and hardware optimization that makes their product really good. That's why this iPad is still the best performing tablet in its price segment, which says a lot about it. Now, as soon as I got this iPad, the first thing that I did was install iPadOS 13. So iPadOS 13 makes a huge difference in terms of the overall software experience. There's better file management, there's better download management, Safari is awesome, and overall it feels more like a computer than ever before. That's why I went ahead and bought this iPad. Now the number one reason why I went with the iPad is because MKBHD convinced everyone that you can go computerless and you can rely only on this iPad because of iPadOS 13. So yeah, that's one of the main reasons, and I'm really glad that I took this decision because iPadOS 13 is actually really useful, and well done Apple. It also has a 9.7-inch Retina display. It is not the best display out there, but it gets the job done. And one thing that I do not like is that it is not laminated. That means there is a gap between the actual glass and the display, so please keep that in mind. As far as other things go, it comes with a touch ID fingerprint sensor, which is always good to have, and it works really well. And it also has great speakers, like it's a 2-speaker audio setup. It doesn't have 4 speakers like the iPad Pro, but I do not mind that at all. Now this iPad also supports the Apple Pencil, which is awesome, and I did not buy the Apple Pencil. This one belongs to my friend, that's why I'm using it. But in the future I'm planning to buy an Apple Pencil because it works really well with the iPad, and it makes sense to buy the Apple Pencil with this iPad. So I'm really glad that the most basic iPad has support for the Apple Pencil. Now one good thing with this iPad is that it comes with a headphone jack. So yeah, that is like a bonus point, and I really like the headphone jack because it is so convenient. You do not have to charge your earphones when you use the headphone jack. Now I bought this iPad because I recently sold my MacBook Air and bought an iMac, so I did not have any laptop, tablet or anything as such to do my work while I'm on the go. That's why I bought this iPad so that I can edit photos and watch movies, Netflix, YouTube, etc on this iPad. I am not expecting to edit videos on this iPad because that would not be the most ideal situation because it's the most basic iPad. So yeah, some light video editing will be possible, but I'm not gonna try it because it doesn't make sense. That's why this iPad is only gonna be for photo editing and media consumption. Now I will be making a full review of this iPad in the coming few days. That's why if you haven't yet, please subscribe below because those videos are coming really soon. So anyway, that's been it. I hope that this video helped you out in some way or the other, and if it did, then please let me know about that in the comment section down below. Also, if you haven't yet, please subscribe below because it would mean the world to me. My name is Harsh Punjabi, and I'll see you guys in the next one.